Yo, hello people. This is me trying to read this. First thing I wanna say is don't mind the Rock D wala name. 16 ki Deep thought that was cool for I don't know what reason. And address, how the fuck would I know where you live? Unfortunately bro, since 10 years, past 10 years तू इधर ही रह रही है and इसी कमरे में बंद है. एज 20-year-old, डेट फरवरी के 2022 में लिखाई है मैंने. फ्रॉम मी विथ कुछ बिगड़ा हुआ स्केच एंड विथ सम लहर, खून का लहर आई गेस, बिकॉज आई वॉज अ बिट सुसाइडल बैक देन. आई एम स्टिल, बट उस टाइम से ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा कम. एंड ओ माई गॉड, आई एम काइंड ऑफ नर्वस. ओके गैंग, सो लेट्स ओपन इट. ओ ये कितना पुराना, अच्छा पुराना, मैंने सोचा पुराना हो गया, ये इंक के मार्क्स आ गए, बट इट्स जस्ट अगेन द सेम शीट. ओके व्हाटएवर. We start from a letter to my future self, 20-year-old. Okay. Hey yo, how are you doing? I hope you are okay. So my dear Deep, of 20-year-old, first of all, I hate you for being so embarrassing when you were me and my younger self. Okay, wow. I don't think I'm embarrassed about you now. Did you go to gym when you turned 18? Unfortunately, February के 1 महीने गई थी. That's it. Talking about 18, what is the first song of Bangtan in 2025? I do not remember. Okay, Red Velvet, 80s and Dreamcatcher still your favorite groups or you change your taste? Unfortunately, आपके बाद मैंने K-pop सुना ही छोड़ दिया था एंड मैं अभी ठीक ठाक सुन रही हूँ, बट उस टाइम पे मैंने लाइक ऐसा 2-3 साल मैं कुछ सुना ही नहीं K-pop से. सो या, if you ask me, then I think I still have the same taste. What is your favorite music genre? I have no idea. Mine are R&B and rock. Oh अच्छा, म्यूजिक पे मेरे को इतना जानकारी था उस टाइम पे. Do you still want to choose music as your career? अच्छा, म्यूजिक का करियर चूज करके रखा था मेरा बचपन में. What course did you opt for though? BA English Literature. Awkward hair flip. She said, I hope it's not engineering though. Fingers crossed. Fortunately for you, my girl, I did not take engineering. By the way, do you now have abs? Unfortunately not. I still have that same mota sa tond I used to have back then. What is your bicep? Let us not talk about it. Mine is अच्छा, मैंने ब्लैंक करके छोड़ के रखा है, उसके बाद इंचेस करके रखा है. सोचा मैं नाप लूँगी बाद में. Who is your close friend in your college? We have 5 close friends: Evangeline, Disha, Sahiti, Sanjay and Nagesh. All the 5 are my close friends. पसीना छूट रहा मेरा. Next question is, by the way, are you still in touch with Viku? Viku means my best friend from childhood. Shout out to her. Is she too still single? I guess. Also, does she still call you idiot? Sometimes yes. I hope she is fine. I miss her currently. Same, I miss her currently too. Have you achieved your dream glow up? Actually, it's your dream glow up, not my dream glow up. And I haven't achieved it. In that case, are you still a potato or still a potato but a boiled one? aka hot girl potato. I am a hot girl potato. I have always been a hot girl potato. How are your studies? I wish they are going fine unlike mine. Yes, they are going fine. Your girl is one of the scholar of the class. What is your current favorite subject? अभी मेरा सेम एग्जाम एंड हुआ है एंड आई थिंक मॉडर्न लिटरेचर was my favorite subject when I was studying it. As for me, it's nothing thanks to you not being interested in any. Oh, sad. English भी नहीं है. Sad bro. Sad life. So you are so emo bro. Got any goals? It's 2026, I guess. Yeah, you guessed correct. It is 2026. But yeah, whatever. Got a partner or still single, simping over Silgi and Tamari? Let us not talk about partners. I've come across some traumas and I don't want to remember them again. But if you got one, what is their name? By the way, are they a girl or a girl? Okay. Confident bitch. Because I don't think you'll ever fall for a guy. Yeah, fortunately for you, you never fell for a guy. Do anyone bother you in your class? Like I have now. For technical reasons, I don't like to take their names. कौन है वो बॉदर करने वाला भाई? मेरे को खुद को याद नहीं है. And what does bothering mean? In which way are you saying that I am being bothered? I mean, like you are being bothered. I have no idea. Are you still interested in writing? Like how many stories did you write yet? स्टोरीज तो मैंने बहुत सारे शुरू करे हैं. किसी शुरू की हुई स्टोरी को मैंने ख़त्म नहीं किया है. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली फॉर यू, दो स्टोरीज जो मेरे माइंड में थे और मैंने शुरू भी किए है, दुनिया के किसी कोने के एक इंसान को मेरे जैसा सिमिलर थॉट प्रोसेस था और आया था एंड दे मेड अ शो और समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट वाइल आई एम स्टिल फैंटेसाइजिंग कि ये इस कैरेक्टर को मैं कैसे लिखूं. दे डिड इट. डू यू स्टिल लव गीता गोविंदम? नॉट, नो. नहीं, इट्स ठीक है, फाइन. You still watch BL? Yes, I do. Did you rewatch together? A lot of times. Did you watch Gap the series? Is it good? Absolutely, yes, it is good. To be honest, थोड़ा बीच में टॉक्सिक हो गया था तो मैं छोड़ दी because I was you. But फिर मैंने बाद में rewatch कर लिया था and it was good. Okay, next page. Did you rewatch Death Note? Is it good? Also, did you watch any other animes in 2023? Bitch, I don't remember what I ate yesterday and you are asking me what animes I watched in 2023. It is 2026, 3 years ago. How the fuck would I remember? Do you still randomly draw between classes? If yes, then which one is your favorite drawing? I just doodle randomly. It's not draw anymore. How many people know about you that you are as straight as circle? I am pretty open now, unlike you. You, मैं इसको बोल रही हूँ. आप open. आप ओपन बुक हो. ये लड़की नहीं है. ऑल्सो प्लीज से यू लुक लाइक बॉयफ्रेंड मटेरियल बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू लिव लाइक अ गर्ल एनीमोर. ये कैसा फैंटेसी है भाई? यू डोंट वांट टू लिव लाइक अ गर्ल एनीमोर. वाओ. आई वांट टू आस्क सो मच मोर बट आई गेस दिस इज एनफ फॉर नाउ एटलीस्ट. सो आई वांट टू एंड दिस लेटर बट हे, I really hope you are happy wherever and whatever you are in. I hope you are still as poetic as me. Not exactly, but almost. I wish you all the best for your future, my dear. Okay, corny bitch. For your future, my dear future. Okay, bro. This she means, but I love but I love you. Nah, don't expect much. I love myself. Lol JK, I love you too. Take care and keep going. I love myself too. because why not? Look at this. And yeah, I can't say you to take care and keep going because I've already taken care of myself and I am keep going. This is the एक second रुको मैं green tea पीती. So yeah, this is the क्या है ये? 16-year-old Deep का लेटर टू मी द 20-year-old एंड 20 में मैं इतनी छोटी दिख रही हूँ, 11-12 साल की बच्ची लग रही हूँ. मेरा हाइट भी हो रहा है while saying this. If टाइम मशीन कभी बना है, I hope you are watching this. I really wanna let you know that I love you a lot and I respect you, and I thought I would have disappointed you because of many things, many character developments I have encountered within 2025 especially and 2026 as well. Abhi tak. I think this is the end of this video. And I think since I'm 20 now, 24-year-old Deep, yeah 25 I guess, 25-year-old Deep के लिए मैं कुछ लिखूंगी and let's see if she survives till then. और अगर survive हो गई then I hope this letter stays with you bro, like this one stayed with me. Man, I'm gonna cherish it so much. कितना cringy है but I still loved it because it's me.